G'day folks, it's Catherine here, your on-the-spot reporter, using the backup camera. And what we've got here is a comparatively newly built block of units. I don't know what, they're 20 years old, and apparently they're needing major repairs already. Looks like the guttering's getting replaced there. They've got the whatever you call it, the high lift thing there. And there's absolutely no display screen on this backup camera at all. So it's simply a case of guess where it might be recording. So it looks to me, I heard something fall a moment ago, it looks like a whole piece of guttering's come down. I guess that's what you get with brand new construction. Well, brand new 20 odd years ago.